What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for JD.com with the ticker symbol JD. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I think JD is pronounced Jing Dong, if I'm not mistaken. This was one of my favorite companies. It was super undervalued back then, and there was a ton of growth potential. And there still is. It's just I've moved on to other prospects, so that's what I'm keeping my eye on as of right now. But I think JD is still a great company overall. It's definitely a competitor to Alibaba. So let's go and look at the chart. You can see that there was a slight uptrend. You can see prices were making higher highs, higher lows, and then obviously we got this sell-off back here in November. So I'm going to show you guys what has happened since. So you can see this sell-off led to a channel working lower, and then recently we had a break outside the channel and a move to new low. You can see that right there. I show you guys this 100 times on all my charts. A break outside the channel and then a move to new low, and then we got that right at a previous support. You can see that price action created a triple bottom. You can see that this was a double bottom and then this was a triple bottom. So there's buyers at this level, at the $62 level, and that sent prices rocketing up. Prices were also far away from the EMA and also at the lower side of the range. You can zoom out a little bit more on the chart. I'll show you guys right now. It looks like JD is inside of a range and is having trouble breaking through that $86 level. So I think that's where JD is headed next, because we were at the lower side of the range, and if we're at the lower side, we head to the upper side, and if we're at the upper side, we head to the lower side. It just swings back and forth. So since we were at the lower side, we had a break of the channel and move to a new low. We were far away from the EMA. We had a triple bottom. There's a lot of reasons for prices to go up, and that's what we're seeing right now. So it looks like pretty much prices shot up. We're still inside of this channel working higher. We are seeing this pullback, which is expected, because look how far it got above the EMA, and the previous day's candle was extremely bullish. So looks like there's a gap that could be filled. We could see some selling pressure in the next couple of days, or we could just continue higher in this channel. Either way, I still think there's a strong possibility we'll probably come back to fill in this gap right here at the $85 level and potentially even reach higher prices in the future. So just letting you guys know, I'm a little more bullish than bearish because of the reasons I outlined. But if anything changes, then I got to change my bias and look at what the chart is trying to tell me. But as right now, it's trying to tell me it wants to go up higher. So even though we could see this pullback, we could get some type of support from the EMA, and that could send prices higher, probably in the form of another leg, probably something like this. So that's if we don't continue higher in this channel. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart for JD, and it's pretty bullish. You can see that there was a lot of support at this prior low at the $63 level, and we got the bounce up. So it looks like this weekly candle is very bullish, just like what we had previously before when there was a double bottom. So this could lead to higher prices. So if we do get to lead to higher prices, we need to see a strong candle close and eventually push above the EMA, find some type of support, and continue higher. And eventually, I think we're probably going to break through this $90 level and continue higher. It looks like we could test the all-time highs too. Previously, you can see that there was this channel working higher right here, and we recently had a break outside of it. Or not recently, but there was a break outside the channel, and like I showed you in the downtrend, we had a break outside and a move to a new low, and in this uptrend we had a break outside right here, and it looks like we're probably going to go up to test the highs. So that's my next target for JD. If we continue to push higher, my first one's at the $85 level, and if we don't start selling off, then my next one's at the $95 level, and if we don't start selling off, I think JD will surpass the $100 level with no problems. So I'll show you guys one last thing. Show you guys this Fibonacci retracement pretty much since the start of this bull trend, and I'll show you guys why it's still intact and all this was just a correction. You see that from the lows to the highs, JD had a 50% retracement, which is pretty normal. You do expect that type of pullback in a trend like this. So it's very natural. It's not like a crazy 80% retracement or a 78%. So you want to see 50 to 60%. That's pretty normal. And I think this could lead to higher prices. We had a triple bottom, and there's a lot of bullish signs, as I've mentioned before. So that's everything I have for JD. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.